Okay, here's the breadboard version of the Ticktock box. I've set this up for teaching off of and demonstrations and stuff. I'll switch to turn it on. I do have a voltmeter ammeter thing here, which is it was for a different project, but I wanted to test it, so I threw it on there. You'll notice that the voltage changes depending on how much draw is coming off the circuit. The ammeter says 0, and that's just because the draw on this thing is so low that it doesn't register. I have set after much experimentation, worked out some fairly high values on the resistor, which gives me the advantage of being able to have a smaller capacitor, and it also has less draw, so the thing will run longer. These two LEDs indicate the two halves of the duty cycle, and the potentiometer here is for adjusting the length of the duty cycle. I've got the minimum right now is set for about a second per side. Then you stretch it all the way up to the high end, and you get about 7 or 8 seconds per side, which is enough time for the TDR to auto range. But it's boring, so let's go back to fast. The blue light is coming off of the relay, and that is just to demonstrate that the relay is shorting, as it should. And then this over here is not really related. I just threw it in for fun. It's an IR sensor and an LED, so that if you need to test remote control, you can just throw it in there and it will flashy flash. Okay, so that's that.